What's up, guys? And I'm back. And today I got a Nintendo Switch in front of me. What's wrong with it is the Joy-Con that's drifting. See that small drift right there? There we go. There's a small drift right there. So that's not good for playing games. So today I'm gonna replace the joystick, a piece that I bought on Amazon. This is a product that I bought from Amazon from the joysticks. So we'll be replacing this and reviewing how well it works. So I got this two joysticks that came with it. These two joysticks that came with it. Comes with two thumb rubbers. And it came with a nifty tool. So I'll replace this. I'm gonna replace this. And we'll see how that works out. we will be replacing it with this one. I bought from Amazon. Here's a side-by-side comparing right there. As you can see, they're pretty much alike. Alright, before I put this one in, I'm gonna clean right here because there's like some juice or candy kind of sticking. I'm gonna clean that up and air dust this for any dust. And we put the other piece on. I got to apologize. My camera died, so you kind of missed out on putting it back together. But since it's all about the joystick, I have a finished piece joystick from the Amazon. I just replaced it and show you how well it works. The new joystick. It's right on the center, and then I have to move it up, down, left, right, circle, go straight in the middle. Like, I like it. For a good price, it works really well, and you get tools. I will leave the link for the joysticks. You get 2 joysticks, and you get both screwdrivers you need. You got these 2 plastic poppers that help you lift things, and tweezers to help you grab small things. So you get all this for $12.99, and right now there's a 10% on the coupon discount. And for the price, I mean, it's good. Like, you replace your joysticks, you don't have to buy another Joy-Con. For $12, you get six a piece, and you get tools. That's worth it, and it works really well. Like I showed you here, really smooth. It goes right in the middle, no drifting. And I mean, all you gotta do is like take your time and replace it. But the difficulty is not hard. Replacing it is pretty easy. So this is it. That's the product. It's good. I recommend it. $12 for 2 and the tools. A really good price, and it works well, really well, because it feels like brand new Joy-Con. So you're having difficulties with your Joy-Con sticks, it's drifting, just replace it. It's not hard. There's a bunch of videos out there how you can replace it. It comes with your tools, so you only have to buy tools. All you need patience. Yes, you need patience. So if you found this helpful, give me a like, subscribe me for more videos for replacing pieces, reviewing stuff, and unboxing, all around gaming stuff too, here and there. So yeah, I hope I see you guys later. So peace out.